it like that. I'm gonna leave these. I'm not going to separate them because I don't want a lot of frizz, and I think it's different. It look good. This side of my hair look different, but it's okay. My hair and this side and this side never look the same. I don't know if anybody else is the same. But hold on. Let me finish the look. Alright, but yeah. This is the twist out. This is an old hair. I twisted yesterday. I did it live. I will link this video in here somewhere for you guys can check it out. And then this is the result today. Yeah, I'm so excited. This is so cute. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Please have fun with your hair. Do different styles. Try something different style wise. Not like spending a lot of money on product. That's not what we're all about. But you can try different style. If your hair is not that length, you can find different style for your hair. Have fun with it. Wear your hair to your festivity this winter season, holiday season. And yeah, I hope that was helpful. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.